we need to learn the right lessons. So the first thing is, do not align yourself to the outcome. If I don't know if you remember the bamboo story I keep referring to. For 5 years, you have to keep giving water. You have to plant the seed, give water for 5 years. You do not see anything. You don't see any, even a single centimeter or millimeter coming out of the earth's surface for 5 years. But if you do not give up, you see the bamboo coming out after 5 years, and within 6 weeks it grows from 0 feet or 0 millimeter to 80 to 100 feet in 6 weeks. So at times we do not see things happening. At times we we are working on a different timeline because of our expectation. At times we align our outcome with the situation or events or people around us, because we consider so many different things when we want the outcome to be specific. But know that the bamboo, we just have to keep watering it. You may see those 5 years coming true within this lifetime, or you may see it after this lifetime. But there's no denying that the bamboo will come out after 5 years of um, regular practice. If you be nice, if you keep doing good deeds, no one can deny that you will not suffer sooner or later. It's just a matter of time. The other lesson you should learn is that you may change the recipient, but don't change the niceness when you're learning the lesson. Because typically, when we say we are learning the lesson, oh, let's not be nice. I don't think that's a nice lesson to learn. We all know the frequency, vibrations, and the emotion make quite a lot of impact in our physical world as well. So if you stop being nice, you're gonna operate at different frequency. You're gonna change, and you're gonna attract reality based on that. So if you are working with gone cases, while I was talking about earlier, do not be too quick to consider people as toxic people or energy vampires. We can't be in extremes, right? We don't have to be in extreme that, oh, not going to leave anyone, or at the same time I'm going to leave everyone the moment they stop acting my way, or the moment they stop meeting my expectation. We have to find a middle ground. We have to see who we have, whether there's any scope of improvement or not, whether this person needs more working, right? Each person is different. Each person is on a different journey. Everything is possible as long as we know how to do it. Nothing is impossible if you know how to do it. If you don't know how to do it, that is impossible, no matter how small it is. And many times, our expectation, our understanding cause wrong understanding or wrong lessons. Last week, I guess we were talking about this example of many people think they cannot drive, they do not have road sense or traffic sense, and they do not drive for at least 30 to 40 years of their lives. And then they are forced to by situation, and they become good driver. They start to drive. Whereas for most part of their life, they thought they are not capable of doing many things or something specific. Driving is just an example. There are so many things. Uh, Many women or many men as well, they are forced to work many times. Many women, they start to work out to help people out, to go out to work. when economic conditions are not nice. At times they never thought they will be able to do something, work in a specific profession, but then they had to choose. They had to do something. They started something new that they did not have any idea about. So at times we have wrong understanding. We learn the wrong lesson. So be open in understanding and learning. When I say we don't know our true potential, I exactly mean that we learn the wrong lessons and we think we are not capable of many things. We are capable of many, many things. And when it comes to people, working with people, see if you have something, you have what it takes to for this person to behave differently. Or are you ready to pay that price? Like I was saying, this saying of everything is possible, you just know how to do it. It's basically everything has a price. You just need to know, or you just need to um, be okay with the price of that. Are you okay paying that price to bring that change in that person? If the answer is no, then move on. But if you're not, if you are okay to pay that price, then remember paying the price also comes with the pain, right? You have to set your expectation accordingly. And at the same time, keep watching yourself. You may have wrong information, wrong assumption about uh, changing a person, or the person actually having your value, or having uh, or actually realizing the importance that you have. Each time you have different information, you have to assess, reassess whether it still makes sense. And many times we are, by the time we realize, we think, I can't do anything now. I'm like this much old now. Oh, I can't do this, I can't do that. Guess what? In that case, you have not understood how law of attraction works. Because for life, because for law of attraction, because for divinity, the age does not matter. The circumstances do not matter. Everyone is as capable as everyone else. We are at this different understanding level, awareness level, where we don't see many things that we have. So I don't know if you are in sports or had any exposure to sports. One thing that long marathon runners they talk about, I think even in swimming, is concept of second breath. You know when second breath comes? When you're exhausted. So you realize more power to breathe. And with that, you can run even longer. If you heard of this guy called David Goggins, he wrote a book, pretty famous book, pretty known guy as well. You would see how much of he was able to achieve even after realizing that he had limitations physically. At times, he did not know he had a hole in his heart, and he kept running. He achieved so much. I would advise everyone to read that David Goggins book. So what I'm trying to say is, we do not know our true potential, and that is the reason we take wrong lessons, or we expect wrong things from ourselves. This is internal perspective, everyone's perspective. But when it comes to someone around us, just see whether you have what it takes to get what you want, make that change in that person. If not, nothing much can happen.